お釣りの取り忘れにご注意ください。ありがとうございました。
Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? I hope everyone's doing great. Today we're on our way to Fukuoka and we're actually waiting at the bus stop right now. When we go travel, usually out of Japan or just in Japan, we usually take the bus. It just seems, for us, it's a lot easier. We can just get to the bus station and just take a bus and not worry about anything, as opposed to taking a train and maybe getting lost. So this bus station is at Umeda, so it's not too far from us, from our home. And then there's actually two bus stops here in the Umeda area where you can take the bus. And the bus was only 1,600, so about 16 US dollars. And then yeah, it only takes about an hour. So this is the bus station right now. This is indoors, air conditioned, and it's really hot today, so it's pretty nice to stay inside. This is the actual place where you can buy the tickets, and it's pretty easy. Was it in English? Was it in English? Oh. Yeah, so you can, if you can't speak Japanese or read Japanese, I think they have an English option as well. We're going to fly into Fukuoka and go straight to Nagasaki. We originally planned to go to Kumamoto, Nagasaki, and Fukuoka, but just with the time restraint and the weather's not looking good and money, we just decided just to go to Nagasaki and Fukuoka. In my other previous video, I said that there were 2 typhoons coming, but I've heard that there's actually 3 coming, so it actually might rain the whole time that we're there. So I'm not sure how this trip's gonna look out, but we're just gonna go and see. One more thing I wanted to add is, if you're coming and traveling to Japan, I would suggest taking a bus as well. They're kind of hard to find, and I feel like less tourists ride them. But when you ride the train, since everybody's going to be on there, it's kind of hectic. Unless you take the special train, but it costs a little bit more money, where it's kind of luxurious and have like has Wi-Fi and everything. But we always take the limousine bus. But yeah, I think it's pretty good. So, and they also drop you off in the major areas, so it's pretty good. Alright, so it can kind of get confusing because one goes to Osaka Airport and the other one goes to Kansai Airport. So make sure you get the right one. You can also find the timetables online as well. So usually this bus is really full, but today there's only like maybe 5 or 6 people on right now. So there was a lady behind us coughing a storm, so we changed seats all the way to the back. Lever here, and if you pull it back, you can lean back. Alright, one thing I forgot to mention is that now we're hitting traffic. The thing about taking the train is it's always going to be consistent, it's always going to be on time, but going and taking the bus, you can never predict traffic. So if you're stuck in traffic, you could be late to your flight. I think it's actually more than an hour. It's about an hour and a half, maybe an hour and 30 minutes, but you should check before you decide to take it. But you get to get nice views though. just got to the airport. It did take about exactly an hour and 5 minutes. So the traffic was kind of congested in the city, but once we got out, it was pretty smooth sailing. All right, so we just went to this automated machine, and then I think we're just gonna go in.
Yeah, it's special test.
What is it? Some like grilled?
This one?
That's weird. Oyster?
No. How
Yeah,
is it?
like
Oyster?
scallop?
A scallop, yeah, it's scallop.
It's interesting.
And?
Oh, Tokyo curry,
Tokyo.
curry chips, sprinkles, and then what are these?
This one is fried chicken test.
That's interesting. I've never seen that.
Yeah.
These. How much is a box of this? $7, $8, $7. They got another one. This is this tuna. What the heck? That's crazy. And they got another one too. What is this?
Takoyaki.
Oh, takoyaki. They probably taste all terrible. Oh, look at this stuff.
Cheesecake.
France cheesecake. Oh, that's cool.
You can eat this though.
Yeah, I don't really like those. They don't really taste. I don't like the dried strawberries. They don't taste that good. Special to Osaka. What is this?
Osaka coffee.
Oh, that looks pretty good actually. Yeah, some sort of chocolate.
You open that?
It looks pretty real.
Burning.
Oh, it's a fan. It's a fan that's shaped with like the money. That looks pretty.
It's not 10,000.
It's like $1 million. Got some massage chairs here.
200 and for like 10 minutes.
How much?
200 and.
200 for how many minutes? 10 minutes? Alright, this is the waiting room. It's kind of industrial. Not much here, just one restaurant. Alright, we're off. That plane goes to Miyazaki over there. And then the one right here is Fukuoka. It's yellow. Alright, this plane is full. I didn't expect it to be so full. Hold on. Alright, so we just made it to the station, so now we're gonna go to the city center of Fukuoka and then go to Nagasaki. But it's a pretty small airport over here. Alright, so we gotta go on the special train. Whoa. Whoa. Seat. It's really quiet inside, and we got like these trays here. So it's gonna take another 2 hours to get to Nagasaki. All right, so we just got our hotel. This was such a long journey. We left at 5:30, and we've just gotten here at 10:30. The original plan was go to Kumamoto, which is closer to Fukuoka, but we canceled that, so we just went straight to Nagasaki, which is a little bit longer. We took that really cool train, and then we just got to this hotel. This is a budget hotel, and this was about $60 a night, and you can, if you get it earlier, you can get it for like $50. So we're gonna go out to get something to eat. My voice just cracked. We're gonna go out somewhere to eat. I don't think we're gonna find anything because it's so late, and then because of the state of they don't have a state of emergency here. They have a quasi state of emergency, so a lot of places are gonna close a lot earlier. But I'll just show you guys real quick this hotel. But I think I'll give you guys a better tour when the lighting is in the morning, when the lighting is a lot better. So this is the room here where you come in here, and then there's a washing machine, which is really nice. And then they're not gonna clean every day, which I like. I don't like, some people really like when people come clean every day. I don't really like that because they just bug you. You put your old towels in here and you put it on the door, and that's how they change the towels. Hey, can you hold this camera? Let's see if there's any better lighting here. I think that's it. All right, and then so here is the refrigerator. It's one of those smaller ones. You gotta show you gotta show me and the refrigerator. Okay, here you go. And then here's the refrigerator here, and then here's the sink. There is no sink like a one for your bathroom, so you gotta pretty much use this sink with the mirror. I think that's why they have this mirror here, because it's like they don't have a sink for the bathroom. They have like this little area where it looks like there's a stove, but you can't cook here. They have free toothbrushes and cups, and then here is the toilet. Of course, they have a bidet. It's really tight in here, and that's pretty much it, which is really nice. You need to have a bidet. Once you get a bidet, you can't go back. I guess we're just gonna do the full tour now, and I'll show you guys more of it, what it looks like during the day. This it's guys, you take a shower in the dark. Alright, let me see. Where's this light? Oh, here it is. Alright, so here's the shower here. It's really small. I've never seen a shower this small before, but you can take a bath if you want to. Probably not gonna do that. Come this way. Come this way. We have a small TV. It looks like about 40 inches. You have a desk, which is nice because I can edit my my videos daily. We have a bed. It's not bad. It's really flimsy. You can't really. What can you ask for $50 a night? And then you have your balcony here. We'll go check it out tomorrow. And then we have a closet here, and they also have an air filter here. So we're gonna go out and try to find something to eat. We just saw a tram going. Oh, I don't know if you can see it. We'll see it tomorrow. But we found a Gasto. I think it closes soon, but we're gonna get takeout. So this is where the tram comes, and we'll see it tomorrow. It was really slow and old. Looked like it was gonna break down. Hopefully they have like takeout. All right, this place closes early, so we might get takeout. So we're just looking through this iPad right now with the takeout food. They got everything. They got pizza, steak. Oh, that looks so good. The steak. Oh my gosh. All right, so we just ordered, and then they gave us these little cube cups. We can just get whatever drink we want. They got juice. They got this soda machine here. This is what the restaurant looks like. There's really nobody here. All right, it's about 11 o'clock. There's another tram station. I don't know if you can see me, but it's pretty dark. So we're on our way to 7-Eleven right now. All these places look really, I don't know, it's just so different here. This is a 7-Eleven. Let's see what we can find. There's people inside reading magazines in right now. All right, let's check it out. Maybe. Alright, they got a whole bunch of stuff here. I don't even know what to get. What should we get here? Alright, so the lighting is not good in here, but we bought a lot of stuff at 7-Eleven, so we'll just do a quick overhaul here, and then we're gonna go I'm gonna go eat this after this. So I'm gonna open this real fast. Alright, so we're gonna just take everything out. We got some bread here, some bananas, maybe for some breakfast, and we have fried rice. Microwave? Mm-hmm. I got some coleslaw dressing for salad. We got this peach drink. This was like 200 yen. Then we got this what is this? Wonton noodle soup. Yeah. You're in the shadow. You're in the light. And then some artificial shrimp. What do you do with this? Oh, artificial crab. What do you do with this crab?
I don't know. Just eat that when I want.
Oh, okay, just eat it as a snack. I didn't know you can do that. We got some spoons. I got a bag of popcorn. Recently, I've been eating really unhealthy. Hopefully, when I come back home, I'm gonna do a nice fast and then reset my body. Here's some water. Some salad, some salmon. I'm gonna put some salmon in my salad. Some yogurt. Latte milk. Oh no, just regular latte. I'm sorry. Latte. This looks pretty good. For my girlfriend. I got another bag of salad. And we saw this drink. Lychee Lipton tea. We like this brand of tea in Japan. Well, I mean it's British, but they always have milk tea and lemon tea, and we always get that. And then we have just eggplant, some Chinese food, some spicy. I guess you microwave this, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And then I'm gonna open up the regular food. All right, we got steak, we got salad, and my girlfriend got this little, I don't know what you'd call this, some sort of like beef over rice. Looks pretty good. She asked me to put the sauce in there. I'm gonna drizzle that nice and slowly. Smells good though, that sauce. All right, so me and my girlfriend haven't eaten all day because, you know, we had a little bit of breakfast in the morning, and then we just kind of took the bus and came here. We actually left our house around 3:30, and then it took us like an hour or 30 minutes to get to the city, and then taking the bus to the airport. So we haven't eaten anything. I had like a couple bananas and yogurt for breakfast. And right now it's about 11 o'clock, 11:30. So we're gonna have this steak, and then we're gonna finish up this video here. But to give you some sort of sauce, I think this is like kind of like a Thousand Island almost. But let's have the steak here. I mean, I knew it was gonna be really small. This was $10. Oh yeah, sorry. So yeah, that was pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed coming along with us. That was a real journey. I'm sure this is all gonna be cramped into one little video, but that was pretty. It wasn't too bad because we're still in Japan. I think if we've done this before where we're in a different country. We've done this in Thailand where we've been through like 7 different cities within like a couple of days, and that was crazy. That was wild. But yeah. We'll find something to do. There's supposed to be, like I said before, there's supposed to be a bunch of typhoons coming here, so I don't know what we're gonna do. Maybe we can go to some shopping malls or whatnot. But yeah, look at this steak. It's so thin, but it's probably gonna be really good. That's good. That's good. That was so good. Also because I haven't eaten all day. But I think that's it. They have a nice TV so we can watch Japanese TV. I don't have Japanese TV in my home. We never connected it, so I'm always watching like American TV shows. So I'm gonna relax. We might not even go anywhere tomorrow. We might have a lazy Saturday, and then maybe we'll find something during the afternoon. But it's gonna rain. I think we're right by Chinatown too, but it's hard to say because it's so dark. But we're gonna end the video here. I hope you look out for future videos. I'm going to try to make a video every single day and just document everything that I'm going to do this week, and hopefully we'll find something good to do. And then I'll probably finish up these snacks and watch TV tonight. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't, and thank you again for joining along with me, and see you later. Goodbye.